Imagine a massive surge of investment in digital infrastructure just waiting to be unleashed. Yet, it's being held back by outdated copyright laws. This is exactly the challenge Craig Scroggie, CEO of NextDC, Australia's largest publicly traded data center company, is highlighting. He argues that by making straightforward adjustments to local copyright regulations, we could open the floodgates for billions of dollars in new funding from tech giants like Microsoft and Google, all eager to expand their AI capabilities. Here's where it gets controversial. The current copyright framework complicates how companies such as Google and OpenAI pay for using copyrighted text and information to train their artificial intelligence models. Scroggie believes that clarifying these payment rules would not only benefit AI developers, but also supercharge the booming data center industry, which is already experiencing intense growth. To put it simply, AI systems need vast amounts of data to learn and improve, much of which is protected by copyright. Without clear guidelines on how to legally and fairly use this content, companies face uncertainty and potential legal risks, which can slow down investment and innovation. By reforming these laws, Australia could position itself as a more attractive destination for AI-related investments, creating jobs and boosting the digital economy. But here's the part most people miss. This isn't just about legal technicalities or corporate profits. It's about shaping the future of technology and who gets to participate in it. Should access to copyrighted material for AI training be easier, even if it means challenging traditional notions of intellectual property? Or does protecting creators' rights come first, potentially at the cost of slowing AI progress? What do you think? Is it time for copyright laws to evolve alongside AI, or should we be more cautious about loosening protections? Share your thoughts below. This debate is just getting started, and your voice matters.